What's up, guys? Welcome to the Hog Squad. Today we're going to be fishing at a stocked trout lake. Today we're here with Will Clarkson, Clay Christensen, Daniel Levy, and William Bush. Anyway, let's get to it. Alright, let's just get to it.
No, why would you do that?
No, that's fine. I'm low. I'm low. I wasn't even close.
It's so annoying when people do that when we've done. But we still love you, Ryan.
Not for filming. Let's just go over to that area, though. Are you leaving? Yeah. I see you. It's good. We got a lot of. Yeah, we got a lot of other anglers here.
Is that yours for Stormy Night?
What? Yeah. Did they take it? No, I'm good, I think so. Yeah, most of the trout are just kind of in that area.
Over by the dock?
Yeah, I mean, there's gonna be the few that are kind of stragglers, but yeah.
That's where also they probably like it. Think about just like cat food or dog food.
Today I am fishing with my Cast King Speed Demon reel. It's 9.3, and then it's paired with a Cast King Royal Legend Series rod, 7 foot, medium fast. But yeah, the fishing's been kind of rough out here today. We've had a few bites, but nothing like, I don't know, the fish are all either dead. Oh, that guy's got something. But yeah, I don't know. He's fly fishing, so yeah, they're all over by that dock. I don't know. I think we should probably make a move towards that area. That guy's gotten 2 now. Oh yeah, we also got William Bush over here. William, say hi. But we've both been out here since I don't know, maybe for an hour or 2. But I haven't started filming until just now because we're trying to figure out the water. We haven't really fished for trout here. I've gone fly fishing here before, like last year, and I caught a few, but it's a lot different. Since all the bass fishing kind of ended because it got too cold, so we just gotta wait till spring, and so we're trying to find some fishing to keep us entertained. Well, I think the fly fisherman, he's got like some weird little plastic worm on, I think, on just a hook with the bobber. Maybe it's like, I don't know. No, let's head over. You see that little corner? You see the corner? Like of the concrete down like straight to my right. I say we go down there and just kind of cast in that area. Yeah. Well, we don't want to get too close to the other guy because that's just kind of a dick move. What? Like, okay. There's just another kid here. Just grabbed like a stick. This is my first time ever fishing with a bait caster, like actually fishing. I've casted with it before, but I don't know, I like it. We're hoping on some other guys to get here. Will, what time is it? Do you know? 11? Shit. Wilson's like not coming for another 2 hours. Oh, shit. Yeah. We'll be here soon enough, I guess. Alright, that one guy's leaving the dock. Oh, does that guy have something? Oh, yeah. I think he does. Yeah. Yeah, we gotta make that move.
Let's go right now.
Yeah, let's pack our shit up.
Next time we come, we gotta
Alright, yeah, we'll catch you over there. Oh, shoot, that's a big dead rainbow. Noticing a lot of dead ones. I mean, I guess it did just get docked like a few days ago, so it might be normal, but I think the water's also kind of unhealthy. Yeah, there's like 4 just right by this dock. And this is where everybody's catching stuff, so I'm just gonna assume this is where they put the fish in originally, and then some like died on transport or just when they were here. Yeah, but a little crappie jig would be nice. Oh wait, I have a crappie jig. Oh, wait a minute, do I? Might have just found the juice. Might, oh. Good things might be coming. William's over there fishing with a big swim bait. It's got a little underspin, but it's so big, it's kind of dumb. There, I know there's a fly fisherman and 2 other just regular rod and reel fishermen. Nobody with a bait caster, but I've only got 1 rod, and I'm predominantly a bass fisherman here. I do fly fish up in Montana though, where my uncle lives, but I don't like have a rod with me. Plus, it's kind of hard to fly fish here. I'm surprised that guy's getting away with it. There's a lot of stuff to get your cast snagged on. Yeah, but right now it's just me and William. Everybody else left, but we got another guy coming. So hopefully things turn better. But I don't know. I don't have anything today, so I'm willing to stick in here for a while. Let me see if I can get this dead one out of the water. I don't know if I want to though, but if it was sick or something, I kind of don't want to just leave it in here. I'm just gonna do it. Hey William, I think I might have a little crappie jig.
I didn't bring any of mine.
No, I think I did. Here, let me check. You should probably change yours too. That's really big.
Yeah, it looks like something.
Yeah, I'll catch you when we change up. Well, William ended up making the switch. Well, he's tying it on right now. He's gonna put on a little crappie jig and put a float on it, which never really seen that as a tactic before, but that guy's caught fish, so I don't know. We're gonna listen to him. God, this dead rainbow is just staring me down. I'll try reeling a little slower retrieve. See if the flash hits him harder. Let it sink. Maybe lower in the water column. It's pulled though. I've never caught a trout on like your typical rod and reel before. It's always been on a fly rod. Oh, fly rod guy's leaving. William, go up on the dock. William, he left. Go on the dock. No, you're fine. Hey, and cast it out like as far as you can. No, go up there. Alright, so the fly fisherman just left. He's caught the most. William, don't cast out too far. Just do a little... Yeah. Okay, I think William might get bit here. I don't know, I'm gonna keep fishing my little spinny thing. I don't know. I borrowed it from Daniel Levy. Thank you, Daniel. I think William's gonna get bit. Yeah, this will be our first video on YouTube. So I'd appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. Tell your friends too. So we're just some guys who like going fishing. Hopefully give you some tips and tricks that you can use when you go fishing. But right now, it does not seem to be the juice for trout fishing here. I think I snagged here. Yeet! Snagged on a reed. William, throw it out farther. All right. No. Oh yeah, I do. And in the little blue box. What the fuck was that? This kid just casted right next to me. I don't know what he's doing. Alright. We're just gonna roll with it. Other trout fishermen are still there. Oh, we got some duckies. Hello, guys. Look at the ducks. Huh? 2 ducks just came over here. Ducks? Ducks. Oh, I think it's ducks. No, we're not deer hunting, William. As much as he wants to. Oh, shit. Look at that big dead rainbow. God. It's kind of sad. How stocking goes, though, but this water, I don't know. There's something with this place. Every time I come here in the winter, something always is fucked up. All the fish are always dead. There's a lot of ducks flying around.
I was just about to stab it.
Do it.
I'm not gonna do it.
Do it.
Nah, it literally just moved in my
I'll
hand.
do it.
You won't. I'll do it right now. Yeah, you do it. I'm coming. I'm doing it.
No, I'm doing
It's
it.
just gonna make it float to the bottom, so it'll be food for other fish.
Exactly. We're doing good.
I got it.
Hold up. I gotta come down and see this.
That was it. it. That was definitely it.
Oh.
That was
Does it smell?
definitely it.
It's
That's a really foul smell. I don't know if that was it.
Oh.
I think that was it.
Oh,
Yeah, that was it.
Fillet that bad boy up.
Oh, me too.
I'm just gonna put it back.
I mean, maybe.
Don't put it.
Yeah, you do it right there.
Cut its head, cut its head.
Bro, yeah. Now I'm like,
He's gonna fillet it.
Bro, my bucket head's better than yours.
IKEA.
Mine and you're just wearing it, so.
Oh, they have teeth. Did you not know that?
No, I was just trying to pick it up softer, so.
You don't have gloves on either.
I know that. Oh yeah, the air came out of it for sure.
Dude, you're such.
Dude, if I
Dude.
I could
Nah, just
fillet
put it
this.
back in the water. Nah, don't do it.
Fillet it, fillet it. Oh.
Sink.
That's on a log.
Yeah, it sank though. So I can just.
God, no, it's floating. It's floating. Look. Oh no, the air's coming out.
Yeah.
It's going back there.
Jesus. All right, well, now I've seen everything. Yeah, but all these dead trout are, I mean, I know some of them will die when you, like, stock them into a pond. But, what happens is, like, I mean, I'm guessing something's wrong with the water. But, yeah, this lake's gotta be, like, toxic or something. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna... William and I are gonna get some lunch, and then, yeah, I'll see you then. Alright, William's gonna try and pet a duck. Let's go for it. Come on, run for it. Run for that big one. Run for the big one.
I'm not messing with that one. I don't think that's it.
Dude, dude, that one hasn't moved. Ooga booga. I didn't catch anything, but after seeing so many dead trout in the water, we came to the conclusion that there has to be something wrong with the water. But yeah, we'll keep going after it, and we'll see you next time.